This year, Shopify has changed how we edit store code. The old browser editor has been replaced with a Visual Studio Code style editor, and Sidekick AI now helps you make changes using simple text commands, which reduces syntax errors. To start, open your Shopify admin, go to Online Store, then Themes. Next to the theme you want to edit, click the three dots and choose Edit Code. You will see a new interface that looks like VS Code, with features like quick file search and smart suggestions for liquid tags as you type, along with automatic highlighting to prevent mistakes. You can also open Sidekick from the button in your dashboard. It works as your AI assistant. You can type a request, and Sidekick will show a preview of the changes it plans to make in the code. After reviewing, you can click Apply, and it will safely add the HTML and CSS to your theme files. This is helpful if you are not a developer. If you only want to add a simple HTML block or tracking pixel without editing the main theme code, you can go to Themes, click Customize, then click Add Section, and search for Custom Liquid. After that, paste your HTML code into the block. This method is safer because your code stays inside a section, making it easy to move, edit, or delete later without affecting your main theme.